Long time no see. Guys, recently I designed another cat product. It is a kitten climbing frame that combines a vertical cat scratching board and a cat jumping platform. Inspired by a kiss on the roof of an ancient Chinese building. That is the ninth son of the dragon's 9 sons. This image is particularly suitable for making a cat climbing frame. The previous research and drafting work will be omitted here. Go directly to the dragon's section. For be outlined here you say rhino. After all, the rhinoceros curve tool is still very powerful, and it can be extruded to the variegated formites. After the alpha outline is drawing, then drag us to the outward roll of details. Finally, drag the picture to a rhino model to paste. You can see coxal renderings. After the drawings come out, it into the apple because a specific cat stress model is difficult to simulate on a computer. So you still have to actually make a one-on-one sample to test it. The board I bought here is 5mm a second, because it is a rough sample. What is actually to be tested is whether the length, width, and height of the product and the fastening method of the accessories can stand the test. Therefore, I will not copy some details one by one according to the drawings, like its teeth. Therefore, I'll size them to scan the consistent. This is the side panel of the finished rough sample, according to part, I guess the sofa coat scratching boring that is animated by cats in the store. This one is just I used the usual corrugated scarf. It is this kind of screw that is very thick. It can eat corrugated paper very well, and it's easy to install, just like normal screwing. Finally, just draw some patterns on it. Just simulate the feeling of the real product a little bit. After a little shaking, I will add a very similar sized column here, used to reduce its shaking fastness. Okay, now take it back and test it for the cat. Try, how are you doing? The new toys are made of your old toys. Like it or not, as long as you catch it like this, explain that its mechanical torture is acceptable. Now, that's 4 nails. The strength of 4 nails may still be a little bit worse. You have to put a nail in the middle. Tomorrow. That found a more serious problem. That is, it is easy to fall. I suspect it was when the cat jumped back on it. Yeah, by the way, you kick away. So I got a slightly shorter one. This is about slightly centimeters high. Relatively speaking, it's not that easy to fall, but it's okay. Left hip, this is about leaders speaking to for. Technically, guys, Kidder, even more adorable. Then after coloring, I will show you the effect. The whole thing is still using a traditional Chinese yellow-green color scheme. Then make it into a model for everyone to see the effect. And that's sort of what it feels like in the end. Well, the color of the small ball inside will be changed. If the actual measurement shows that the red ball is a little dark, the cat may not be able to find the ball, then it will be sent to the factory for proofing. They'll probably install it a bit. Then it will be sent to Spock's bin. This carton is almost like this. Finally, the samples of this finished product have been typed out. Bowsy, I have already selected the cat scratching column here. Begin assembly. In suiting, he has a live one here. I guess he hit other boards. And here, incidentally, is a board for us, so there will be a seam here, but the problems are not so big. I'll find a way to match this small ball later. The big goods are ready. This is its outer packaging. Let me show you. Down. Well, it's still quite straight. Then I took it apart and put one together to take pictures. I happened to go to the store to renovate today, to take him on location, and here's one under the freshly painted wall. The sun is shining brightly now, and then it gets bluer. It is very suitable for taking a long-range picture and looking up. It should be this angle. So pull it down, pull it down, pull it down, pull it down, pull it down. That's it. Then you can start making product pictures, same as before. First, select the picture and do a PS refinement. Then create a very long document. Drag the picture into the details page. It is still the structure of the total score. Let me show you what that looks like. Then display the product material, structure, and details. Finally, another use case and product information is summarized. Then drag the picture made in the details page into the square document as the main picture. It is best to set it up when making the first main picture. After that, you need to make the border surface marked by the main picture. The border obscures your key information. Finally, the treasurer should remember to export the 6 views of the product applied to the design pattern. Just in case, let's take a look at the final product.